Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the Pepe update today, and here's another thing that we talked about that is literally playing out. And I did this so previously when I uploaded the last video regarding Pepe. So I told you that there's this line that has been respected for Pepe for a long time. So you have a touch and a move up, you have a touch here and a move up, you have another touch there and a move to the upside. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I think Pepe has an unfinished business. Okay, I think Pepe. I know it's kind of scary that maybe it's time for Pepe to go down and correct and this and that. But logically speaking, I've always told you before, and I'm gonna tell you this one more time that when you see an accumulation, when you see the prices being bought by big investors, the whales are stepping in, they're trying to buy the coin, they're trying to get into the coin, they're investing big bunch of money, billions of dollars into the money, and all of a sudden the train leaves and they pump it up. When the train leaves and they pump it up, they push it sideways. And when they push it sideways, it's not a fluke, it's actually a reaccumulation. Accumulation, reaccumulation. Now, how long does this reaccumulation really takes? It's not in Adam's hand, but it's actually in those big investors' hand, the market makers, Elon Musk, especially Elon Musk when he makes a lot of posts on Twitter as well. Now, thing is, we're getting the clues every single day. Candles are printing every single day. We're looking at different candles printing out, and candles, as I say all the time, that they make a story. What is the story? Let's decode what is the story. The story here is, as I told you before, number one is you have a support level right there. Okay, this is absolutely perfect. You have the three touches, which actually confirms the trend line, and then on top of that, now you're having a squeeze coming in like this, right? So from there to there, and from here to here, it actually leads you to the 20th of April. Okay, you have the time until 20th of April. So maybe, just maybe, this is nothing more than just a nice, beautiful pennant to continue to go to the upside. And this is my take, all right? This is my take because you're living in Adam Coin's era. We're living in a time where Adam Coins is more interested to push things to the upside more than ever. I want to pump the market. It's not a secret. Go to Discord. Look at Discord. What I do in the Discord, right? As I said, rest assured, I will pump the market. You're welcome. You know what happened back a few days ago when I said I'm sick and tired of the itchy games from the Bears and I'll pump the market. I planted seeds on Jasmine on our private and gave you TA video because if you look at Jasmine updates, I've been killing it with Jasmine, alright? I've actually entered on the private, gave the call to my members on 1918. We're sitting at 0.022 right now with the 15% push to the upside. But what about Pepe? Because this is Pepe video. I am still interested to push Pepe to the upside, just as I was interested to push Bitcoin to the upside, just as I was interested to push Jasmine to the upside. Why not push Pepe? And you'll want me to push Pepe. Don't you want me to push Pepe? If you want me to push Pepe, like this video. So if I push Pepe, let's actually turn off the log scale at the moment. And if I do push the Pepe, you may see me pushing Pepe all the way to the upside, and that's going to be a price target of 0.17796, and we're talking about a price appreciation from now. This is 141% move to the upside, which is yet again another possible achievement that can happen. But anyways, jokes apart, 20th of April, take out your calendar, right? This is my calendar right over here, and I'm gonna go to the 20th. I don't know if I can drop in any note right there. So I want to actually drop a note. I don't know how to drop a note, but anyways, I'm gonna add something, quick event, and I'm gonna say Pepe breakdown. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you're following the channel because I'm going to be posting about Pepe. I do post about Pepe, you know that. But if you're new, you may never see the channel again. So since we're on a countdown to the 20th of April, I want you to be on the journey along with me. Let's see what happens until 20th. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one, loves.